Well, it's a windy day toward the 1st of November, first few days of November. I'm feeding my cows some corn stalks. Got a few left over there. That's dent corn. I'm going to take the ears off because I'm going to shell that and give that to them later. Give that to the chickens also. But I found what to do with cucumbers that you let get too big and too ripe, and that is give them to the calves. They love them. I don't know whether you, as windy as it is, I don't know whether you can hear them, but they are slurping and crunching and slobbering. Come on, chew it up good. Don't swallow that thing whole. All three of them just love it. They just leave a puddle of mush, and that's about it. I hope you can hear that. I don't have anything else. You're gonna have to go over there. I'll give you some corn stalks in a minute. But they do like that. All right, let's get you some corn stalks. Sounds like they're eating celery when they do. Anyway, so don't be afraid to give your cows corn stalks. And I would imagine even if these were dead, completely dead, and a lot of the leaves are dead, but I would imagine they would still eat it, just like they eat hay, dry hay. And but they are looking pretty. Going into the winter, you want your cows looking fat and sassy. You don't want them going into the winter poor, because it's hard to catch up if you do that. They don't gain much weight on hay and such during the winter months. They can, they'll maintain, but they don't gain weight. So if they go into the winter poor, you're starting out at a disadvantage. So let's see, I bet she starts eating some stalk. That was the last leaf on that one, looked like. Maybe one more. And I think they're gonna start snapping off. See, she's eating some dry leaves. So it's just like hay to them. They're gonna eat it. But they'll tear it up. They'll tear up most all of it. I do like to see them crunching the stalks. They'll just kind of bite it. There, she's doing it. She's eating the stalk. Biting that stalk too. Still got some juice in it. They're still green, so they've still got some juice in the stalk. Whatever juice is, I don't know what's in there. Water probably. Much rain we've had lately. But you can see how nice they look. She's fat. Oh, Oreo fat. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see. Oreo's looking pretty, Cracker looking pretty. All of them looking nice. Going into the winter. This is November 3rd, I think, 2nd or 3rd or 4th or something. And they're looking pretty. Should be about 5 months bred. Should be about 5 months along and on a 9-month gestation, just like humans. But anyway, they look pretty. Want to show you the corn stalk, but especially those cucumbers. They tear them cucumbers up. And pumpkins. I've given them pumpkins before. I've showed you that before. They do love them some pumpkins too. I just cut it up a little bit, and they'll bite off what they like and chew it up and bite off another piece. And so see if she eats the stalk, or she just getting leaves here. They like the leaves first. They're gonna go for that first. But after that, they will get them some stalk. There you go. She gonna get that stalk. That's a smaller one, tenderer, I'm sure. Look at her, just chewing that stalk up. They do like it. They'll eat it. Don't like as well the leaves. If I feed them, if they're fed well enough, if they're, you know, not hungry, then they will. They won't eat as much of the stalk. And they may come back tomorrow and finish them up. But 2 of them have already lost interest. Except for you, ain't that right? Ain't that right, Oreo? That's right. So let me just let me go with that. And I wormed them about 2-3 weeks ago, I guess, maybe not quite a month, with a pour on. Just poured on their back, ivermectin. Pour on, and that worms them good, and that's one reason they're looking so fat and slick and happy. They got good worming, and they're also pregnant. I hope. No reason why they shouldn't be. And put some fly dope on them not long ago, but it's been so cool that the flies are dying down. And all right, she lost interest in it too, I guess. She'll pick up a little old scrap on her way out. Anyway, corn stalks, cucumbers, pumpkins, and I'm sure y'all can come up with a lot of other things. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what your cows will eat, or goats or sheep. I'm interested in that too, and I'm sure a lot of the viewers are too. So do a comment below, tell me what you have fed to your livestock. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe down below, click the little bell, and give me a thumbs up if you don't mind. All right, they done walked off into the sunset. All right, we'll go. Appreciate it.